flash flood watch in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of central Maryland, north central Maryland, northeast Maryland, and northern Maryland, including the following areas: in central Maryland, central and southeast Howard, central and southeast Montgomery, northwest Howard and northwest Montgomery. In north central Maryland, Carroll and Frederick, Maryland. In northeast Maryland, Cecil. In northern Maryland, northern Baltimore, northwest Hartford, southeast Hartford, and southern Baltimore. From 3 p.m. this afternoon through this evening, showers and thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening. Rainfall amounts will average around a half an inch, but locally higher amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in a short period of time for locations that experience multiple thunderstorms. Heavy rainfall in a short amount of time can result in rapid rises of water in streams, creeks, and urban areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. This is the watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through this evening. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in southern New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, northwestern Burlington, and Salem; in southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, lower Berks, Philadelphia, upper Berks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. From 3 p.m. this afternoon through this evening, showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop by mid-afternoon over western Maryland into central Pennsylvania and move eastward into the region by late this afternoon into this evening. These storms will be capable of producing heavy rainfall over a short period of time, which may result in flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 234, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Salem, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 234 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, and Salem, and the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a gust front was located 22 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. The gust front will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms with cloud-to-ground lightning are possible as well. The National Weather...
This is awkward. I hate this so much.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jarrettsville to Conyers-Ville to Randallstown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles.
Oh wait, that's what I need to do.
Waterside hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Who's that?
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Oh, we don't get it.
Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Middle River, Conyers-Ville, Towson, Bel Air South, Parkville, Bel Air North, Kearney, Milford Middle, Perry Hall, Locker, Rosedale, Rossville, Mays Chapel, Timonium, White Marsh, Fallston, Hampton, and Kingsville.
This is stupid.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Baltimore, Cecil and Harford, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles west of Middle River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Turkey Point, Hartmiller Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Pools Island, Spissody Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National...
Oh, ow!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, North Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elverson, or 12 miles east of New Ulm, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Pootown, Leonville, Shadarville, Leonville Markwood, Stowe, South Pottstown, Kenilworth, and Exton. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 316. Interstate
Yeah, tornado possible.
176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Chester.
Just another day.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch.
I hate this.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Harford County in northern Maryland, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, east central Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms with a line extending moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Continues SVR.
Source radar indicated. Impact damaging wind cause.
They continued the SVR, I see.
This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage vehicles. Roadways become blocked by downed trees. Local power outages are possible.
Damn!
Unsecured light objects.
We don't get it.
Locations
I know.
include Aberdeen, Delaware, Grace, Aberdeen, Proving Ground.
We're probably gonna get a marine warning soon. Or what the?
It's like a marine warning.
Yep, probably soon.
Rising sunshine. Torrential, Fairhill, and Bayview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, Cecil, and Harford.
Yes, we do.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 7:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m.,
Oh, it's getting
strong
dark.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles north of Tidal Basin to 11 nautical miles north of
Well, this fell.
moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations intended include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Miller Island, Magansee River, Chester River, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Tilchester Beach, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Love Point, Naval Academy, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore
Hail
Light,
report.
Severn River, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, 7-foot Knoll, Kent Narrows Bridge, and Annapolis. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh my god!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts
Wow.
was located 7 nautical miles southwest of Slaughter Beach, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind
Flood
gusts
warning.
34 knots or greater, and small hail.
No!
Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
For water
Small craft
sprouts.
could be damaged in rapidly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Bowers Beach, Miami Light, Ship John Shoal Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, First Beach, Sea Breeze, Cross Ledge Light, and Cape May.
Cape May?
Until hazardous weather passes.
Ow.
The national
First one ever. First one, let's go.
Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania,
First
North
one
Central Chester
who's ever
County
done
in
it.
southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Some additional rainfall is expected. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas. Some locations that will experience
Flood warning.
Honeygrove, Elvers, New Morgan, and Glenmore. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 307. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
That was fast.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bel Air South, or 7 miles northwest of Aberdeen, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Calvert, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Rising Sunshine, Zion, Blake, Lombard, Richardsmere, Woodlawn, West Bellingham, Oxford, Coalingo, Rock Springs, Fair Hill, Farmington, Port Deposit, Darlington, Churchville, Carsons, and Hickory. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Hartford.
I guess here it is.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cape May County in southern New Jersey until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located
Might expand the watch.
14 miles south of Millville, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard,
70
miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Harlem, Millville, Bridgeton, Ocean City, Cumberland, Summers Point, Lena, Laurel Lake, Woodbine, Estill Manor, Newfield, Elmer, Shiloh, Corbin City, Newport, Leesburg, Beasley's Point, Dorothy, Dennisville, and Briggsboro. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 26 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on a Delaware Bay, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, Cape May, Cumberland, and Salem. A severe...
I guess you were right.
Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:15.
Wait, this is the one from late earlier.
6:19 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Wait, what?
producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Thorntonville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Ambler, Birdsboro, and Collegeville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 337. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 2. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 19. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 27.
Still sunny.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Wow. Jesus Christ.
Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Middle River, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicator. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Fools Island, Mississippi Island, Gunpowder River, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor as weather passes. For the following.
They are chill. Shut up,
New Jersey has
Wayne.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey, south central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern
It's
New
for
Jersey,
you.
northeastern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dorothy, or 12 miles east of Island, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour.
Dang.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Violin, Atlantic City, Millville, Ocean City, Cumberland, Pleasantville, Hamilton, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon,
Oh, that's
Berlin,
my
Margate
beach
City,
house,
Rena,
is
Egg
in it.
Harbor City, Laurel Lake, Tuckerton, Weymouth, and Estill Manor. People at the Atlantic County mega site should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between
What was that?
miles 22 and 57.
Flash flood warning.
Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers
For me!
39.
For me.
For your
Flash flood warning for me.
Your room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread
It's for both
significant
of
wind
us.
damage. Although
It's for me.
tornadoes are not immediately likely,
It's for
it
me
is best to
too.
move to a
Yeah.
secure room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Flash flood warning.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning expectation until
Yes.
7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey.
Get ready. Get set. And go.
Let's go. It's for me.
Southeastern
Jesus Christ, chill.
Southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Pennsylvania. At 11 p.m. At 7:09 p.m. Thunderstorm area. Between 0.5 and 1 possibility. Additional rainfall area. Flash flooding shortly. Hazard. Flooding thunderstorms. Source. Radar. Impact. Of flooding areas. Some
Uh-oh.
You're actually gonna get WEA?
Jesus. They're about to reach their time limit.
Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 4.
You're gonna reach your time limit. It's for me.
Turn around.
Huh?
Didn't I tell you?